Hello! Now that we've finished the Merlin installation guide, this is the Merlin User's Guide. Again, please follow the video series in the README file to get to this point and continue from here. We have a listening service on localhost port 8000 that we are now going to log into. The first place I recommend you start is the administrative panel. Now let's take a look at that. So where we go is to localhost 8000/admin. Now I'm going to log out and show you the page that you're going to get. You're going to get this admin panel. Now it might not have a username and a password, but the default is admin and admin. Now this will take you in, and I've populated the database with one device and with several, all of these tables each will have at least one record set in them for you to work with and play with. I recommend you delete those records if you're going to bring in your own lab devices, or you can just simply add on to those records if you're going to use the DevNet sandbox. Now in the admin panel, you can actually add records, or you can click on a record, like let's say devices, and it will show you the records in that data set. Here's the ARP tables, the BGP peers. Now if you want to edit something, like let's say this device, and change the host name or the alias, you simply click on the record, make your update, and then click on the save button. Save and continue editing, save and add another, just save it. Now that is the administrative panel. Now in the bottom corner here are the periodic tasks. And what you can do is check and see there are no periodic tasks, but we could simply add one. And in the drop-down list is the Run PyETS job, which you can schedule to run at your convenience every 5 minutes, every hour, every day. Now I should highlight that in this alpha stage, it will run the populate database job, which collects the entire state of the network. So you may not want to run this more than every 2 minutes or less than every 2 minutes. I do have plans on adding and registering every individual table's job as its own task that you can schedule to run, meaning you could have a schedule for show inventory at once a day and show interfaces every 3 minutes. That is to come into the project. That is the administrative panel. And again, you can click on a record, you can click add to manually populate a record. You can perform what's known as CRUD, create, read, update, delete activities manually as an administrator in localhost 8000/admin. Thank you.